Oh my, it's early.
Yeah.
Cozy, let's talk about what happened this week. So, where did Daddy take you?
We did.
The gym?
Yeah.
But what about when you went to Papa Nana's house?
Go play Papa.
You did? And you drove all the way there with Daddy? Uh-huh.
No, you, Mommy.
No, Mommy stayed home with Desmond, right?
Why?
Right. Wanna go see? Okay, let's go. Say cheese. What are we getting?
Actually, remote.
You ready?
Yeah. There's a
Okay, move back. Stop. Keep going backwards. Okay, say what you want to say. Show them what you got in your hand. What is it? Show them the flower on your dress. Oh, turn around. Cute. All right, let's go. Let's go.
Me home?
Don't touch him, he'll bite ya.
Why? Oh, I know.
Because he's mean. Come on. Okay, gotta go hide, okay? I'm gonna count. Ready? 1, 8, 9, 10. Are you hiding? Okay, here I come. Where's Cozy? Where's Cozy? Is she in the kitchen? You gotta keep it a secret. Where are you? Where are you, Cozy? Found you! Okay, go hide again. 7, 8, 9, 10. Here I come. Desmond, go find her. Go find Cozy. Where is she? Come on, let's go find her. Oh, where's Cozy? Found you! You're so silly. Okay, you count.
3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 8.
Hey!
Yeah,
Where was I? I was in the closet.
What?
Let's go.
I'm getting ready.
Mick, would you like to tell everyone where you got your hair cut from?
I got my haircut at Lifetime Fitness by Lauren.
And would you say?
Don't you talk about her!
All right, you crazy kids, let's go. Come on,
It
Desmond.
was beyond godlike.
Go get your shoes on. Go get your shoes on. Hurry,
It was like
scurry.
An angel came down, cracked in my mouth, and started with a wooden spoon. What?
Are you gonna go see Lauren again? Say hi to her.
No.
Oh, I did it again.
Let's see if my shoes are here.
I don't think they get here till tomorrow.
Well, we can always see.
Baby shoes.
My shoes are arriving Tuesday? What the heck?
Just while I get your floaty on. Okay, we're gonna go swimming, right?
My back.
I won't hurt you back, I promise. Okay, put your arms in. Wait.
Wow,
Wait, let me see. You look good? You gonna swim like a fish?
No.
Is it cold?
No.